Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is an intraday video for the 1 hour and 15-minute charts to see, of course, what happened to Bitcoin today, what it might happen in the next few hours. As you can see, our blue box is exactly in this area and ranging, of course, for this target, of course, given for a wave 4 here exactly. So we are looking between the 0.23, 0.38, which it has been already hit, by the way, for the fib levels. But the time required, the minimum time requirement, as you can see here, did not, of course, reach it yet. And that because we are in a big wave 2 right now, where you are looking at 1, 2, your wave 2 is an A, a B, and a C flat, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Therefore, this wave, I believe that it's not finished yet. And it's not finished. I know that we're looking for some red and movement toward the downside, and it looks like impulsive, but it is not yet ready. Of course, there is no holiday every day. Yeah, yesterday there were very fast, of course, 4 5s, very short 4 5s. But now we need a very longer 4 and a 5. Yeah, so your wave 4 here might be something else unfolding, like 3 ways up, 3 ways down, and then of course even 5 ways up again, and then continuation toward the downside, guys. So yeah, after rechecking the scenarios here, as you can see, we have 1 2 1 2, and then you have here a 1 2 3 4 5 for your wave 3 in the white. So you got already your wave 4 and a 5 finished. You finished with it your wave 3 in the yellow, 1 2, and you got, of course, your wave 4 related to this wave 2 here. So this one, wave 2. Yeah, this is very related. Yeah, very nice in timing, and of course in the fib level as well, we're perfectly hit. And then we got our wave 5 in the yellow, meaning right now if we are in this wave 4 for the magenta, your wave 4 is related to this wave 2, and this wave 2 is very, very long one. Yeah, so we might even range even for longer time. Yeah, it can transform somehow to a triangle, nobody knows, and then move to the downside for a wave 5 again. Yeah, so to reach lower. So these are the insights right now. I don't trust this move toward the downside yet, unless of course it is in rush to move toward the downside. And of course, if we look at the 15-minute chart, we have probably here a 1 2 and then 3 4 and a 5. If that a leading diagonal, so to check this, we need of course to check the length. Let's see the did we pass? No, we didn't pass the 1-to-1. Wow, okay, so that it can be very, very, very likely to be a leading diagonal, okay? So wave 2 as well here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, probably, guys. So we need to add this anyway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 in a leading diagonal. So yeah, potentially it can be, of course, a leading diagonal for and a wave A, but very rare. Yeah, normally a leading diagonal is for an impulse, yeah, rather than a zigzag. So yeah, basically, definitely this tell us that of course this can be an ABC toward the upside, a zigzag, or it can be even higher as an impulse. If that happen, meaning of course invalidation very, very close. Yeah, for wave 3 here, 4 and a 5. So that would be possible. Let's say this was our wave 2, and see in case we get a target for the bullish here. So guys, of course, there is a bullish scenario right now, a potential of bullish, of course. So let's see wave 3 impulse. Yep, as expected. Yeah, so 92k 700 can be your wave 3, 4, and a 5 invalidation. You formed a big impulse, and then this will be, of course, your wave 1, 2, and then continuation for higher, in case we are bullish, of course. Now, let's see, of course, regarding the channels, of course, invalidation will be yeah, will be very, very nice if we hit exactly the invalidation and we retrace from the base channel. As you can see, this is your base channel. Definitely we're gonna retrace for wave 2 probably, and in the wave 3 you can break it for wave 3, 4, and a 5, entering the acceleration channel. Wow, what a scenario for the bullish, yeah. But very possible. Very possible, of course, in case, because we see a leading diagonal, but of course let us not rush. But basically we did not finish anyway our wave 4, preferably to reach this time for a wave 4, and it might unfold anything here like 3 waves down as well, and then 5 waves up, and then continuation toward the downside without invalidation. So we are still in between the bullish and bearish, and I would say, of course, this range is gonna take a little bit longer time. Now let's take a look as well at KGT. So on KGT 3-minute chart, we can see, of course, yes, the CVD line is getting down a little bit and we have a buy signal. So if we see lower prices a little bit with a lower CVD line here, we can create a divergence, and this divergence might lead to higher prices, right? So yeah, very, very possible that we can get an ABC, probably one more leg, or probably WXY, whatever is happening here. I doubt that this, of course, is an impulse. And by the way, it's a lot of overlapping, yeah. And currently you took the wave 1 here. If you are 1, 2, 3, 4, it took the, so yeah, invalidation. By all means, if we still have one more low, yeah, we create a divergence for higher price. And that means, of course, higher price, it might be your wave 3, yeah, or it might be a wave C. In this case scenario, it can transform this zigzag to another zigzag, a zigzag, and another one to hit perfectly the time for a wave 4 in a triangle. In case we are impulsive and we hit the 1.618, you know, therefore, of course, I would say that we might, of course, continue for higher prices. Yeah. Now the targets 1-to-1 fib level is your target for a wave C. So A, B, and a C for a 1-to-1 fib level. If we break the 89K 500 towards higher, meaning, of course, you are in an impulse, meaning, yeah, the bullish scenarios start to get higher possibilities slowly and, yeah, progressively. So these are the level to be watched. I believe as well that there is another blue box here that we can reach between the 89 and the 90K for Bitcoin. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.